Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to check forms field Google. So first one is open up a browser, go to google.com, and from here just simply select these Google apps on the top right corner and then go to your drive. Now here on the drive guys, you could just simply go ahead and select type over here, and after that here on the type you could just simply select forms. So guys, in my case I only have two files on my drive, so it is showing the forms, but if you have many files you can filter it out by selecting forms over here. And after that you could just simply double click on the forms that you want to view, and after that it will redirect you to the Google form and you should be able to access it. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.